Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to get into this new Outre wig that I got from WIGTYPES. This is Alshira in the color 1. It's given really beach wave, loose wave, very summer-esque kind of look. I really love the curls. It's really soft. Even though it says it's a lace front wig, it is not. It's not lacing at all. No matter how well I plucked or tried to pluck, it wasn't doing anything. So you have to wear it more as a closure wig, so just keep that in mind. My head is a little bit bigger and it does fit a little snug, so you guys keep that in mind as well. You big head, if you have a bigger circumference, just keep that in mind. But yeah, all in all, the curl pattern is gorgeous. It's soft, it's very lightweight, and yeah. Alright, so let's get into this tutorial. So this is the packaging of the bag. I also want to show you guys the model and the style is Alshira. And this is the hair straight out of the package, and then here is the construction of the inside of the wig. Now it does not have a lot of lace. It has very little, which you will see later on that it was hard to kind of pluck to manipulate because the hairline was thick. But we're going to go in and we're going to powder the wig with my trusty MAC Studio Fix NW45 powder, and then we're going to apply. So here's the hairline. It was very thick. It was not giving lace front at all compared to the previous wig that I've done for Outre. So you're going to see me here try to tweeze, but it's not really doing too much. It wasn't showing anything. So I just decided to apply this as a closure wig. But I'm just going to use my E-bend to kind of lay the hair down and let it get tacky. And then after that, I'm going to put my elastic band so it can hold.
Sure I never get to feel happy. Taking everything and do my own way. Making that you're begging me, please.
So here I'm just cutting the lace off. It was not giving frontal at all. It was giving more closure. But I'm just gonna lay down the front and then use my, what is this spray again? My bed head my bed head spray, just to kind of lay it a little bit more and let it dry. But it was not lacing at all, honey. Like, it was not giving at all. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing with the band. Like, it was not going to give me no frontal lace, so I just decided to use it as a closure wig, like something quick and easy to throw on. Nothing crazy like in between. Even when I try to tweeze hair, like, what? Like, it's not even giving anything. Like, the hair is cute, don't get me wrong, but you know, this is just an honest review. It wasn't doing too much for me. But here I'm just going to use my wax stick and just flatten the hump, and I'm just going to style this as a closure wig because it wasn't really giving me lace front. It was just giving me a closure wig. But here I'm just flattening that hump. And I'm just going to powder that part as best as I can to give it somewhat of a more realistic effect. And then I'm going to use my root corrector to kind of clean it up a bit. And that's pretty much it. Like, it was very quick and easy install. I love the curl pattern. It was really nice. This is like a nice summery throw on just to go out and about wig. Very hassle free. That's the part right there. And you see it's not really lacing, but we try to make it work, honey. And then this is just my honest review. Really love the wig. Really love the curls, but it says lace front wig and it was not giving lace front. But that's okay. This is going to be my quick little throw on during the summer, you know, just to step out real quick. So here's the back. Really cute, really nice. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So if you like this wig install, I have other wig installs. Just click here and you guys can see the other wig installs, okay? Just click. I'm waiting.
They were going nowhere.